For us to continue to give you this valuable content, please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the 5th video of Understanding the 1040 series. In this video, we will be covering the tax and credit section of the 1040. Line 16 would include the total of tax on your taxable income. This would include taxes if used Form 8814, parents' election to report child's interest and dividends. This would include taxes if used Form 4972, tax on lump sum distributions. This would include taxes if used Form 8621, information return of a shareholder of a passive foreign investment company or qualified election fund. This would include taxes if used Form 8978, Schedule A, partners' additional reporting. Form 8615 must generally be used to figure the tax on your unearned income over $2,300 if you are under age 18, and in certain situations if you are older. Use the Schedule D tax worksheet to figure out the amount for line 16. You have to file Form 4952 if applicable. But if you are filing Form 2555, you must use the Foreign Earned Income Tax Worksheet instead. Use the Qualified Dividends and Capital Gain Tax Worksheet later to figure your tax. If you don't have to use the Schedule D, if you are filing Form 2555, you must use the Foreign Earned Income Tax Worksheet instead. Schedule J. If you had income from farming or fishing, including certain amounts received in connection with the Exxon Valdez litigation, your tax may be less if you choose to figure it using income averaging. If you claimed the Foreign Earned Income Exclusion, Housing Exclusion, or Housing Deduction on Form 2555, you must figure your tax using the Foreign Earned Income Tax Worksheet. Line 19. If you claimed the Child Tax Credit, you must use Schedule 8812. You must file Form 8862 if for any reason you were not allowed the credit for the previous year. If you take the child tax credit and it is determined that it was an intentional error, you won't be allowed to take credit for 2 years even if eligible. If fraudulently claim credit, you won't be allowed to take credit for 10 years. You may also have to pay penalties. If your qualifying child didn't have a valid Social Security number before the due date of your return, including extensions, you can't claim the child tax credit for that child on your original or amended return. However, you may be able to claim the credit for other dependents. This concludes the 5th video of the 1040 series. Go to the next video, covering the 6th section of the 1040. For us to continue to give you this valuable content, please like, share, and subscribe.